Dino Truck Rescue! Digger! Crusher! Dumper! Bruiser!
Incoming message. I'm picking up a large heat signature. Be careful. Stay in formation, lads. What is that? Hold! Hold! We would like to pass, please. We're looking for something.
I could smell you coming. I won't stop you. To find what you are looking for, you must go this way. Good luck, and be careful.
Come on, lads. Move forward. Thank you. Good dinosaur. Who goes there?
We're looking for an artifact. We think it's in here.
Searching for something, you are.
We'd like to retrieve it, please, sir.
You may enter, but do not touch anything other than the metal. You heard him! Do not touch anything! Move out! You may find what you're looking for, but you may not return. What is this place? Come on! Push forward! Don't look back!
It's a portal.
We must go through if we are to find this metal. Follow me! Crusher and Bruiser must have touched something. We don't have much time. We must move forward.
We can't leave them behind.
What is that? Quickly, move! I'll take the middle room. You take the one on the right. Careful! I'm locked in!
I don't know about this, boss.
I've located the artifact. It's a robot. Careful not to touch anything. There's no time! The sludge is getting closer!
I've deactivated the power, boss.
Good work! Here, take the robot! Oh no, I'm stuck! Go without me!
Come on, you can do
Go
it.
without me! That's an
No,
order!
leave it behind.
Go now!
No!
Leave me!
No!
Save the others!
I have the artifact. We must return home. Through the portal.
Where's Digger?
He's caught by that sludge. We must leave. Go now. Look, there's more there. Hurry!
This isn't right!
You too, Crusher. Get away from me!
Great job, guys! You have found the robot.
Yeah, but Digger didn't make it. He was left behind. Digger knew the importance of the mission, to return the robot. Let me take the robot. I need to examine him. And that blue sludge. This just doesn't feel right. You guys have had a big mission. Come on in.
I'll need time to examine the sludge. I've never seen this before. It's some kind of alien substance. Whoa, look at that! It tried to get all over me. It's completely harmless. According to the robot, Digger is still okay. You trucks entered this way, but there is another way around the back here. We'll have to get a team together. And be careful, there are other dinosaurs around that are not so friendly. Robot found. 2 of the 4 artifacts have been found. 2 more to go. Great job, guys. Rescue trucks, roll out.
Dino Truck Rescue!
Mission complete. Coming up in the next episode, Batman and Robin.
Wait. Stop there. That's it. Yeah, Batman. Bat symbol. Son of justice. Yeah, here we go. Check this out. Oh yeah, Batman.
And check this out. Trusty sidekick, Robin.
What the? Oh no, it's that kid. What is it, Super King?
But just give him a chance, Batman.
I am Super Cat, faster than a panda.
He's wearing a shower curtain
intelligent
as a
as a
king.
cow.
Are you kidding me? And what's with the pants?
They're my mom's pants. I can only fit into one leg. Oh yeah!
Forget this. I'm out of here.
Well, you can't have the Batman without the Joker. Hey, what is that? Gary, you fool! You don't have any hair. Hey, give it. I gotta get better henchmen.
My name is Vladimir, Russian scientist, and I love to...
Yeah, my fist mixed with your face makes pancakes.
What are you doing? Let go of me, you criminal. Let go of me, you vigilante. Help!
Batman,
Help! Ah! Get off me!
get up. Let me in your house now.
You just kicked me out of the house.
I'm Batman.
And later we're gonna go to the super fun, super crazy, happy, slidey park. Brown, green, blue. Ah! Go. Wait! Oh, can't fit. Go back. Up we go. And down the mega slide. Woohoo! and down the slide of doom. Doom! Duck Blue! Whew, that was close. Duck Green! Whew, just made it. All that coming up soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.
Get me in this house now. I'll make my way in by beating you through there.